Happy Mother's Day! Hi creative people!
Hi, pretty people!
Welcome to Creative Kids A to Z! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, as you all know, it's Mother's Day.
And so today we will be playing piano songs and dedicating it to all the mothers.
Okay, so first I'm going to start with my piano song. So the song I've chosen is Mom by Megan Trainor.
And the song I've chosen is a Telugu song called Amma Amma.
So I've chosen a short part of the song and now I'm going to be playing.
Now I'm going to be playing my piece.
You'll need an A4 size paper, then you have to cut it into a 14 by 14 centimeter. Then you should fold the two corners together, the two opposite corners. So you have to fold it nice and neatly so it's not popping up. Then you have to do the same to the other corners. Just like this. Then once you've gotten this, you have to flip it upside down and fold it backwards. Up and just put these two sides on these two. Just boom and boom, and then just have to press it down. Press it down. If you want, you can and then you can use a ruler to flatten it down, so you should be arriving with a smaller square. Then you should be able to fold it like this, and once you have folded it, you can fold it again and cut. After you folded it that one time, you should be able to draw a heart, as you can see. And then you should go get your scissors and just cut it out. Then you can open it up. Then you have to do the same to a A4 white paper, but this time it has to be 10 centimeters instead of 14. And then it should be smaller and you just have to glue it on. So now we're going to be making the stem. So then you're going to need some green paper. For me, since I have it white underneath, I have to try to do this. And then you have to take something circular. In this case, I'm using a brush. So then once you've rolled it, you have to take out the thing you used to roll and then add some glue. And once you're done, you can draw a leaf. Adding the leaves, you can just make the flower like this by holding these two, folding them, squishing them, then boom. So in the inside, on the white paper, you can write Happy Mother's Day. You can write Happy Mother's Day inside, and then you can fold it up again and write Mom on the outside. Then you can use some glitter glues or any other decorations to just simply outline it. Just like that, you have your Mother's Day flower. Happy Mother's Day to all.
Happy Mother's Day to all. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye!
Bye.